Watch out for that skeg.
Hi guys, Captain Nick here at MarineMax in St. Pete.
Captain Keith, Clearwater.
You found the right boat, you found the right colors. Now it's time to have some fun. And I know we get a lot of questions and stuff about, hey, what do I need to do to take ownership? What do I need to do for insurance, financing? Well, hey, we got your one-stop shop right there in the business office.
Let's go find out.
Talk to Joe here, and he's gonna talk about the fun stuff. So here we are in the sales center, and as a sales consultant, now is when I take a quick step back, hand you off to one of our business managers that handles everything. And Joe here is going to talk about what goes on in a business office and that last step between you looking for a boat and actually owning a boat.
What we're going to do is we're going to go over the protections that are available on your boat, finish your tag and title paperwork, and make sure we can get you out on the water to enjoy your new vessel.
After that, you got the keys, and the best part about all of this, there's one more step. Keith, take it from here.
Orientation time, baby. Let's go get on the water.